Hi, I'm April with WTI, and I am so excited to share with you my new shed from Florise. This is their 8x6 shed, and let me tell you, there is so much space in here. I was looking for something to be able to store my kids' bikes, tools, seasonal items, and yard things. I was not only trying to protect them from the elements, but I was also looking for security. I really like that this is made of premium quality sturdy metal. It has a reinforced frame along with a sloped roof. This gives me peace of mind that no matter what, rain, snow, or wind, it will stand up against the elements. I really appreciate these air vents as they provide moisture control, so it always smells nice and fresh inside. Not only is this structure really strong and sturdy, but it looks so nice, especially with this pretty clear window that lets in natural light and these amazing doors that open all the way. And they have the option to lock, keeping my things nice and safe. I am so happy with this shed. I think it's absolutely amazing, and that's my point of view.